Hi guys, for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a cappuccino using one of our products, Delonghi Ecp 3531 from Korea. First, turn on the machine, and while waiting for the machine to heat up, i-prepare muna natin ang ating espresso grounds. Just make sure lang na yung espresso grounds natin ay properly distributed and properly tampered. Kung wala kayong coffee distributor, you can use a toothpick. Ayan. So, itamper lang natin properly. For more details about this machine, you may visit our website at www.pepperfryingsph.com or facebook.com/pepperfryingsph. Ayan, since ready na ang ating espresso grounds, let's put water in the water tank. Ayan, merong max indicator kung hanggang saan lang ng water pwede kayong maglagay. Kasi kapag nag-overflow siya or punong-puno, may tendency na mag-slow yung pag-heat up ng machine. And now, sa nakikita nyo, naka-on na yung green light, which means ready na for brewing. But first, rinse muna natin yung machine since hindi siya automatic and wala siyang auto-rinsing. Now, make sure lang na before mag-brew and after mag-brew, i-rinse nyo yung machine. Para matanggal yung excess coffee grounds na naka-attach. Insert the portafilter all the way through hanggang mag-lock and nasa center siya. Now, since we will be making cappuccino, una muna nating i-froth ang milk. So, i-turn nyo lang yung dial to left and wait for the green light to appear. Ayan, since nag-green light na siya, ibig sabihin ready na for frothing. Ayan. So, meron na tayong frothed milk. But before that, wipe muna natin yung frothing wand. Purge it again para mawala yung mga excess milk. And wipe it dry. And mag-brew na tayo ng ating espresso. If masyadong malaki yung baso nyo, pwede nyong alisin yung drip tray. Ayan, i-turn nyo pa right yung dial. And turn it back to the center. Ayan, meron na tayong cappuccino. For more details about the product Delonghi Ecp 35, you may visit our website at www.pepperfinesph.com or www.facebook.com/pepperfinesph. Yan, since okay na at nakapag-brew na tayo, you can remove the portafilter and rinse the machine again. So, itong rinsing process is really important para mas maganda yung krema ng espresso na gagawin nyo. Ayan, meron na tayong cappuccino.